Maybe because it's the first game of the new season, so at least we're on a break. AFCON kept us busy, but we missed our local games, so we are looking forward to the game today. Albeit I call it, they're students. Those guys, they're focused on reading books and going to write exams. So for them, it's just a hobby, so Sundowns is going to win. You understand? Yeah, they're playing against school kids, so there's nothing much that we can take from them.
Being honest, Northwest football have been lost for 10 years. So we came as students, we are here to learn, we are here to give them what we have learned. We have done our exam practice for the game. So today is all about showing them flames. Nothing I can say, as Malum says, Jumsenko.
Dumela Brayaka, the Bafana Masengo, when I do a coach Porisho, we are here from the scratch, even though we still believe. And say, aha, Marabona Rakai, the Songo Nation.
For the signing of Saleng, I'm happy about it. Saleng, it's a brand. He deserves to play for the highest teams. Remember, prematurely before he was demoted, he had a very good offer that was on the cards for him to go. So for him to come to Sundowns, if he will break it into the starting 11, I think it will be good for him. Also, mentally, he will be well. He will come back to Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, it's a good movie because in final and a mental breakdown. Remember, Renar cannot won a Saleng was thinking maybe it's bigger than Pirates. So, and I'm directive favor instead or Bamuloni go beat. If in Alona, maybe not over sharp. So, Mara, I wish it today. Kabakalar Kiboningari Barre just 4 to 6 weeks or 6 to 8 weeks as Sabapal. So, nobody really. Bargain Motola Abanyakala supporters Gargabon Nebaliko or semi max. So I'm ready for fan base.
I'm happy with the players that we sign at the moment. I'm happy. But always there is bad. There is bad. I don't want to lie. Yeah, I'm happy with the players I sign. But Kadoso. Nekuzo abeke pension lama players. So what is the use? We sign, but it's Sababeg pension. You can be sign a land.
Say how Galibella, Spaces Sasale, stay in Coca Matthews. How Galibella Matthews' chances it's a Dicari more hot, more Lauren Udicari, the chances are high, and then how Galibella Lange, Lady Messi, chances are Dicari at this mistake. Keep position Sales at it, and then I'm definitely sure for no competition. Is I can turn again Yaka or Ira and Toira.
We are here also to give him an appreciation for what he did for us. So we are very thankful to Saleng, but it costed our team, but we're moving forward. That is what we have learned as students. So thank you.
Saleng we enter go be to see it, Rilabocasa and Sone. Ramo support and Kajik.
I am very excited about the win, Barayaga. Besides that, our new signing, Leon. First game, first goal, Barayaga. That's what I'm happy about.
Today, hey, it's not what I have to do each and every day. I have to focus on Pirates. Come on, allow happy people to fail. Since I'm not the stadium. Obiti Takora, Obiti Tadiram, Bonnet no. Kitama Fila Pain, Younger and make a favor, Obi. It's not good. From today, Kifeva Pirates, 2026, till Leaky Fail. I said not about Obiti Bapalaling, back into Monga, Katamute, Motor, Kalang Man. Oh no, Chapolu Aqua. For one or get a heart attack.
Well, to be honest with you, it was a walk in the park. I expected a lot of goals today. But don't allow to work. But this is a long weekend. And we're more like jersey number 27. You are very stuffy, Dama. Dama, I'm a defender. Oh, I would have done better than number 27. Uri Damani, Namara Kivonica stuff, you were one more Kematat. Hape dama na etsa foko. Na pere stove dama. Ke la bona player ja la bola ka stove. Dama no le ka trap Ba tshwanetseng a be bolo ko fatshe a etsa a ke itse ke stoforo ke ene re o etsala. But he was my man of the match.
Easy win, Rotmane. Mara, we won in North America, Arena, Mon, Popit. Yeah, Bonuno, Burigel, Burigel. Yeah, Raisin. Yeah. Rotmana Sales. Copelabo, last game of the season, one Poteka Sales, one Mon willing at you. Last game, Ife, La Sales.
How do you feel about the signing of Saling?
Saling remember it, ne? Mara, na feel or Saling, get a Vilayam Bule, about Twisted Blue. Yorim Bulota Maila, Shina and Kela, Lernaga rebound, Dovos Conchi. Sandile Nanobola, Hagas Bola Air Jail.
Kumnandezwen. Because someone was just carrying an umbrella for me, I just need to calculate my mates and make sure where is he sitting. And, you know, just to be honest, at least there are glimpses of hope that our Shushain and Piano is coming back. And with the players which were in the starting lineup today, I'm very happy. 90% of the players, they are own blood, our South African players. If you would have checked Bafana Bafana when they were playing, just because we're using too many players from outside, especially Sundowns has killed our national team. I'm not saying they mustn't play, but let's give a chance to our players so that we can improve in our national team. So for them failing dismal in the AFCON, I blame the amount of players which were used by Sundowns for getting our own blood. And coming back to our today's game, you know, I don't know what to say. I can see the star, and I need to see more stars, because someone is just pretending to be like me, and they won't match me. They can talk, they can say whatever they want, but there's one best team in the country, which has represented the country in the Club World Cup, and is still representing the country in the CAF Champions League. No matter what they say, no matter what they will say to us, still they must know that we are the best, and we are carrying the South African flag very high.
My bra, kunzima kakhulu wabona sisaphuma emafifa break inkinga yethu siyayibona phela ukuthi ikhona rabona re usasinyeha ka mohare mara ka re ke Sundowns always the sky the limit. The performance ka tshekwa wa ne le poor mara nka se isole because re sa tswa kae re sa tswa leto mara he re bua I'm still cooking asapi.
Pirates are in a little games in hands. Your win today is unnecessary. How do you feel about it?
Brawaka re ka go ra go busa go gole ya se fitli ya ba botlhoko o direta di bua mkato ona no a ona motho a ka khona go itlhalosa re ka ifelletsa kae a re no lebella tse di dirahetseng ka nako yona eo o utlwe monate wa Smaila fela wa ntshwara tse tsa gore Pirates na 2 games Sundowns 1 game or what and what re direta di bua mkato ke sa busetsa hape mapakania ke na le lena na ke tlo le gemela hore ba le ba palelwa dichomi tsaka ka re ba palelwa dichomi tsaka ba palelwa ba palelwa mara nna mapakania I'm still there ke tla ka mo morago ke a gema ka mo re utlwa botlhoko ke a bona mara ka di 28 ke tla romela dichomi tsaka ba tla dlala ka bona
我们经常住的是桑桑，蹲出来要少舒服呀，蹲住啊，在到底是到天气呀，我们经常住的是个场。Good evening, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Afuchain. Goeienaand. Ek is baie bly vandag. My meneer Sundowns het lekker geoefen hier binne. Ek is baie trots vir hulle want hulle het mos gewen. So 3 points maak baie verskillende goed want hulle gaan nou naby Orlando Pirates. Dat maak nie saak Orlando Pirates het ander games in hande, maar hulle doen mos goed. En dan ek gaan ook weer praat met Obit Spanne. Ek is so baie bly Want daar's nummer 27, number 27 of Orbit. That tall guy, he's a very good guy. He just needs to get supplies in a very good manner. And another thing, what I need to add again is that Mahlangu was keeping Themba Zwane tight. Themba Zwane, I think, he's a good player, but now his time has came. And remember, Orbit put in the second goalkeeper. That goalkeeper for me performed very well than the first goalkeeper. So I'm a multilingual person. Nilava ku byela ma South African ku ri wa vona bolo loko yi langutisa swi laveka ku ri u yi twisisa ku ri kahle kahle ku tlanga yini kanjani and u nga langutisi swilo u ku no referee u robile twisisa bolo ku ri i famba kanjani mphinde ngintshele ngithi ngesinebele into azonzwa ngamandla mna kutata ngathi umsile mbuzi isichaba sokubetha bengakho kutata sikhambe phezu
You didn't answer the question.
I'm still coming. Ask me that question again.
Bari, you are very weak.
I'm coming to that one. I needed a better question, my friend.
You are very weak as against the Chiefs. What do you say?
Let me tell you something. There is no team in the PSL out of all the 16 teams. All the teams that are there are professional teams. All the teams are the best teams. There's no way. Chifata kurucha mbele betika kanda bedia taka spina memele metlaka. Wonderful just the real damanta papata punyuma mapaita kamtoka. I want to tell you this. If you think Kaizer Chiefs is the weakest team that you believe in, remember I'm playing tomorrow. You must also watch that game. I came here, it doesn't matter. That's our opinion. Go and put it under your pillow. Yeah.
You are playing tomorrow?
I'm playing tomorrow. If I've got the 3 points, I'm going to get 27 points. And remember, that other team that win today, I'm just on their neck. I don't care about what Orlando Pirates do. It's not my business. I don't care about their game in hands. What I want to tell South Africans is that when you love football, watch all 16 teams. Do not watch only your team. Because your team is your team because you love it. But remember one thing. All 16 teams are professional teams and they are the best. That's why they qualify to play in the professional league. That you must keep in mind. Thank you very much.
Cabo,